Hello there, everybody. Welcome to last week here, week 5 of the course here. I got my winter scenery up here a little bit, and I'm just going to continue on the topic of what we've been taught, or something related to uh, that topic. One of the things, life is wonderful. It truly is. I mean, sometimes it may not feel like it. Um, but it can be. So, and one of the things in life, of course, is adversity. We all have these things that get in our way that stop us from doing what we want to do. Each of you has your own situation going on, and I guess whatever the negatives in your life or the things, the obstacles, it's part of adversity. Um, it can be many things, so depending on each individual situation. It can be the walls or whatever analogy you want to use. So it can be a lot of different things, but it can be beat. I used a runner analogy here, and again, runners, it's something they do every day. They work on it. It ain't something they just get up on a Saturday and go do. And the same thing applies to be it your students or things going on in your life. It's got to be something you have to work on to beat it, basically. It can be also just getting past your own comfort zone. Sometimes there isn't. I've noticed with some people, and it's not as much adversity as it is just getting out of your own comfort zone. You stop yourself from doing things or getting ahead or progressing. So that's something, just a self-evaluation, something to look at. Uh, you just can't keep letting it win. Don't let adversity win. You got to figure out how way to get past it, climb up the hill or whatever it might be, uh, and just kick adversity's butt. I mean, that's basically my point. Don't let it win. Take charge of yourself. If you got negative people in your life, you're going to have to ignore them, work around them, whatever you have to do. But, you know, take charge. So that's it for this week. That's my little mini rant. Uh, in the course from room. Okay, upcoming week here, you got, last week we got 2 more chapters. 14 is about, supply chain management, which is a very big thing anymore. 20, 50 years ago, it wasn't a big a thing as it is now, but now it's basically a requirement in any sort of business. That and corporate responsibility. Again, 50 years ago, people didn't care about the environment. Didn't really care if a company cared. Today, uh, you know, all these businesses are pretty much copying everybody to keep up with whatever social media says it should be focusing on this week. So, but it is part of business. It's even line items in budgets anymore. So that's the 2 chapters this week. Again, pretty much everything. I would, I've either sent you, and if there was any issues with any homeworks, I've sent them to you. Otherwise, pretty much same this week, except, you got your final paper, and you've also got the evaluation or the survey. We do make changes in these courses. We've actually just updated this course, and I've already noticed some things that need to be changed again. So any feedback we get, we do use for updating courses and changing or whatever the case is. If it's too hard or too easy or it's great or whatever, the case is, just let us know. Like I said, I've already noticed some things so that I'm going to be working on to get changed for the next go around this course. But just let us know anything you may have noticed. My test question. There you go. Uh, what are the grandkids doing? I did some. They got these apps you can play around with for pictures. But anyway, just what do you think they're doing there? And then other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. And let just let you go. Again, 7 days a week. You need anything, get in touch. Otherwise, have a great week, everybody. Take care.